This is how we jive for mass communication. Here I'm again with another video. Here I'm again with another unboxing of a premium sunglasses from Guess. You can see here right and how Guess, beautiful pack of these Guess sunglasses, lovely. Let me take this off, guys. Let's see. Okay, here we have sunglasses and few things at the middle. I take them all out. Here we go. Some paperwork, guys. The cotton from Guess here. Some paperwork if you want to read your big things, many things written. The glasses. Before going to glass, I show you the cotton here for cleaning this. Lovely Guess branding. You can see here original. This is from Guess Spain. And wow, beautiful looking glass, guys. You can see, wow, magnificent. Let me take this off from here, both sides. It's plastic out from both of them. Beautiful design, guys. You see close. Yeah, the corner. See here, right and Guess. You can see there, beautiful designing. Wow, Z is written as well. You can see there. And also written here, if you can see or not, Guess as well. And other information, Guess from USA. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. Take care till then, bye bye.